because normal stress 0, shearing stress is also equal to 0. That's our point Z. Then we look at our shear. We have the 30 shear. Okay, so this is our 30. Right. Then over here, if you look at point Z, point X, okay, the element is rotating anti-clockwise. So this is your point X. And over here, this is your point Y, right? And then you're going to draw a line. Okay. So from here, we can calculate our in plane, okay, stress average. Because XY is our in plane, right? So we can calculate our in plane. Stress average for XY, okay? Right, so this is the in plane. I'm going to put down here in plane. Okay, so stress average XY is equal to plus 120 plus by minus 60 divided by 2. So it's equal to positive 30 megapascal. Okay, which we can observe over here. So that is our stress average for our in plane. Okay, so that's our stress average for in plane. 30. So the next thing is we can also, I'm going to call it our point O down here. So the next thing we can do is we can calculate the radius of the circle. Okay, so we're going to calculate radius of the circle. So we're going to calculate tau max for the XY plane. Okay, we can calculate. So it is equal. Now in the quiz, some of you got this wrong sometimes. Okay, I think you mix up. If it's from 0, you can take a certain value divided by 2. If it's not, the stress average is not 0, you can't. Okay. So over here is going to be what? So the x-axis is equal to 120. The problem is some of you divide by 2. Okay. So in this case, you don't need to divide by 2 because it's 120 minus 30 squared. Okay. You only divide by 2 if stress y is equal to 0. Then you take that value, just divide by 2. Okay. But just observe through the circle. Don't memorize formulas. Okay. Then plus by 30 squared. So this will be equal to 120 minus 30 squared plus by 30 squared square root is equal to 94.868. Okay. So from here, you can calculate your principal stresses. So I'm going to call it stress A and B. And so in 3D Mohr circle, you use A and B. You don't use 1 and 2. Okay. I'm just following the textbook. Okay. There's no reason. So it's 30 plus or minus 94.868. So 30 plus or 94.868 is equal to 124.868 megapascal, or 30 minus 94.868 is equal to minus 64.868 megapascal. So with this, we can more or less sketch Mohr circle. Yeah, I'm just eyeballing this. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, and then okay, and then this will go up by 94. And this will come down by 94. I think I have to scratch this. Okay, it looks fantastic. Okay, so now we know that this is for what? This is for our XY plane, and this is our in plane. Okay. Then the next circle that we're going to draw is our YZ plane. Okay. Now the thing to take note is when is it YZ and when is it XZ. Okay, so I want you to observe this. Okay, so the next one I'm going to draw is the YZ plane. By the way, so this is our stress at point A. Okay, or stress A, not stress, and this is our stress B, which are our principal stresses. So the next circle I'm going to draw is this way: 2, 4, 6, and 3 and a bit. Okay, so this is our next Mohr circle. Now so this is our wait, where is my okay? So this circle over here, you'll be wondering now, right? This is our YZ plane, and this is our out of plane. And why is that? Why is it YZ and not XZ? Because Y, right, make towards this angle, this is an acute angle, or less than the angle over here, right, is less than 90 degrees, right? Whereas X to this circle, the X to the blue circle is more than what? 90 degrees, right? So that is why it's the YZ plane. And finally, the last one, the last circle, maybe it's this circle over here. This belongs to your YZ plane. Oh, sorry, XZ plane, which is your out of plane. Okay. Now I have another example to do, but looking at the time, it's 5 minutes to 10. I'm going to stop here. Okay. Now on Thursday, you're going to get quiz number 8. And quiz number 8, okay, I'll write down here. Okay, so quiz number 8. No, I'll write on the first page. Okay, quiz number 8. Okay. It's going to be on, what day is it? 13, 14, 15, July 15. Right, and it's on a shaft design. Okay, so it's basically last week's homework. Okay, I think it's homework 10. Okay. Okay, if that's the case, thank you for your time and your attention. I'll still stay behind. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay,